George Aghjayan, and as we approach April 24th this year in isolation for most of us, it may be a good time to think about the lingering impact the genocide has had on the disbursement of our families, the disintegration or destruction of our families, by trying to repair that rupture caused by the genocide and begin some work on your Armenian family tree. Genealogy is something that can be done from home, and there are some easy steps to begin everybody can do. Particularly at this time, the number one thing you can do is talk to members of your family, the older generation, and ask them questions, everything you can think of, including names of people, relatives, how they're related to you, where they came from, the story of how they came, wherever you are around the world, how you ended up there, how your family ended up there, but also where they came from originally. That's the first thing you can do. The second thing you can do is you can join the Armenian Genealogy Facebook group. It has over 11,000 members from across the world, and people with tremendous amounts of expertise and energy and willingness to help anybody answer the questions that they might have about their own roots, anything in any place. There's just a tremendous amount of wealth of resources there. And the third thing you can do, and everybody should do as an Armenian, is take a DNA test. This is often the only way that we can determine relationships or find lost family members that have been dispersed because of the genocide. So in this time of isolation, and as we think about April 24th and the lingering impact of the genocide, I suggest you reach out to your family members, spend some time talking to them, and finding out more about your own family history. Thank you.